Hey guys, Raja here once again and welcome to my session. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most demanding and interesting topic in the market, which is automated SharePoint workflow migration tool, which can migrate both SharePoint Designer as well as built-in SharePoint workflows to Power Automate. This session is even more critical for all, considering the fact that unfortunately at this point of time there is no third-party SharePoint workflow migration tool is available in the global market, which can migrate both SharePoint Designer as well as built-in SharePoint workflows to Power Automate. Even Microsoft also has no plan to come up with any such SharePoint workflow migration tool in near future as well. Now, let me just quickly share my screen and let me quickly talk about some of the very critical points before we actually directly jump to the SharePoint workflow migration demo. So let us first understand the current situation. Now, by now, you must be knowing that you all must be knowing the fact that SharePoint 2010 workflows have already been turned off for both newly created tenants as well as existing SharePoint Online tenants, which means we won't be able to run or create SharePoint 2010 workflows for SharePoint Online tenants. Therefore, the immediate impact is on both SharePoint 2010 Designer workflows as well as on the built-in SharePoint workflows. So when I said built-in SharePoint workflows, I'm specifically talking about 5 out-of-the-box workflows, which are approval workflows, collect feedback workflows, collect signature workflows, publishing approval workflows, as well as the three-state workflows. Now, even the creation of new SharePoint 2013 Designer workflows have already been blocked on the new SharePoint Online tenants. However, for existing tenants, SharePoint 2013 workflows are going to remain supported. Now, the next immediate question that comes to our mind is that how client will be impacted because of this particular change. Now, this is absolutely true that the clients were not properly warned about the workflows retirement. And there are a lot of SharePoint Online tenants who are running more than thousands of SharePoint 2010 workflows and have no direct path of quick replacement. Even many clients do not have enough time and resources available to replace the existing workflows into Power Automate. Now, again, another question that comes to our mind that then what are the options available to migrate SharePoint workflows? Now, to answer this question, I would like to mention that as per Microsoft direction for Office 365, as there is no third-party SharePoint workflow migration tool is available in the global market. So unfortunately, we are left with only one option currently, which is recreation of the workflows using Power Automate. However, that is also very challenging as well as time consuming because of future differences. So what I'm trying to convey over here is that not all SharePoint 2010 Designer workflow actions have direct replacement actions available in Power Automate. Therefore, comprehensive discovery as well as planning will be required before going to Power Automate migrations. Now, again, the biggest question that comes to our mind, whether there is availability of any third-party workflow migration tool. As I already said, unfortunately, the answer is no, as there is no third-party workflow migration tool is currently available in the global market. Even Microsoft also has no plan to come up with any such workflow migration tool in near future as well. Therefore, as I said, we are currently left with only one option, which is recreation of all those workflows manually in Power Automate, which is extremely challenging and also involve a lot of costs. Now, the final question that comes to our mind, then what is the way forward? Don't we have any options available? Now, to answer this question, I am happy to inform you all that IBM has created a SharePoint workflow migration tool, which has inbuilt capability to migrate both SharePoint Designer as well as built-in workflows to Power Automate. In fact, this tool is intelligent enough to automatically connect to SharePoint Designer and which can automatically retrieve all SharePoint Designer workflow actions, then condition triggers, and automatically create the workflow structure in Power Automate. And not only that, it can save significant effort, cost, and time, and also it can enhance migration accuracy as well. This can certainly be the real value proposition to the client in terms of both effort, cost, and time. Now, as you can see on this particular screen, this is how the tool will work. As I said, this SharePoint workflow migration tool is intelligent enough to automatically connect to the SharePoint Designer workflow, and it can automatically retrieve the workflow actions, condition, and triggers, and it will automatically create the target workflow structure in Power Automate accurately. Also, in this regard, I would like to highlight one of the very interesting feature of this particular tool, which is bulk creation of the workflows. So what I'm planning to convey here, that if there is a requirement to create, let's say, 100 different approval workflows against list or library, that using this tool, all those workflows can be created at one go, and then if required, minor manual modification can be done later on. Now, in this particular slide, we'll talk about the SharePoint workflow migration accuracy. Now, before I can talk about this, let me just quickly highlight that this is our first release, and we are currently working for the subsequent releases of the tool. So for this particular release, what we have done, we have broken the workflows complexity into 3 different categories. One is simple, one is the medium complexity, and one is the high complexity. For the simple, we're expecting around 90% of the migration accuracy, and we're expecting around 10% of manual activity, which include testing. For the medium complexity, we are expecting around 79% of the migration accuracy, and we're expecting around 10% of manual activity, which include testing. And for high complex, we are expecting around 70% of the migration accuracy, and where we are expecting around 30% of manual activity, which include testing. So without wasting any further time, let me quickly jump to the live migration demo of this SharePoint workflow migration tool. And I'm sure you will definitely enjoy this session, because this is going to be a unique creation of IBM, as at present, no other vendor in the world has this kind of SharePoint workflow migration tool. Thank you very much. Have a nice day to you all.